Salamat. Mga parents, thank you so much for raising our invitation.
Okay, thank you so much for coming, especially to our
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And of course, Kuya Williana, the sponsors.
Ang sister na nasa Yes, of course, yan. So till next time, this has been your host, Royal Martin.
And now, Cecilia Jorbo signing off.
Bye everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, requesting our volunteers, especially Kuya William, picture taking sa siguro na rin sa front, together with our barangay captain of Panaginan, and also our contact person.
Also, ang Jenny
Yes po. Okay, let's find our comfortable. Sige, let's have our pictures taken as our memorabilia. Kuya William, pictures na Kuya. Sir,
Ilaw ka na itong anak ni Ante.
Uy, dahil wala nakadawa. Bata. Okay.
Ako lagi rin ko daan niya.